Decided to come out and show you what the snowstorm did. It's already melting off of my house. It's melting off the streets. And the north side of the trees are what got all the snow. And it's cold and chilly out here. We got another storm coming in. I thought to show you what it did to the trees. It's kind of slushy on the trees. I don't know if you can see that really well. See if it'll zoom in. It's slushy back there. Zoom back out. It's just slushy, slushy. My bushes don't hardly have any snow on them because they were sheltered by the blue spruce pine. My ponderosas are just covered like crazy on the north side, but not on the south side and east side. And my aspen trees have it hanging on them too. They're fuzzy. Hate it when they get fuzzy. And it's cold. The grass underneath doesn't have much on it. But see, most of the street, it's melted off. And it's cold out here, really cold. But yeah, there's not much snow around. My car on this side doesn't have any, on the other side it's got lots of snow because the wind blew in from the north. It's just really, really chilly. And see, my 4 lilacs, I don't hardly have any. My ponderosas, my roses, I need to trim them. That's dripping off the porch. You can kind of see my aspen there. See if I can get a close-up of them. Kind of fuzzy. They're icy. It's going to be cold tonight. They're going to freeze. Hope it doesn't break the branches on them. That's a real problem around here in Colorado, is because they've got all the buds on them, and the snow is wet right now, and it's going to freeze tonight, and it might break some of the branches off of these trees around here because they're just starting to bud out. And this is a wet, wet snow, and it's supposed to snow again tonight some more. So hopefully we don't have any utility lines get broken tonight too because of that. Anyway, that's snow in Colorado for you. I'll film some more tomorrow. Bye!